Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the ultra aggressive shake tutorial in CapCut. So if you want that insane heart pounding ultra aggressive shake effect, this CapCut tutorial breaks down the exact settings you need to make your edits feel powerful and intense. So now it's time to get seriously aggressive and stop using weak shakes. Now let's just get started to create the effect. First, you can just import your clips. So for me, I'm using 2 clips as the example. And for the first step, you can go to effects and video effects and add the cross flash effect to your clip. Okay, this one's right here. Apply it to the clip, click on object and choose all videos. Now put it in between the clips just like this. And go to adjust. Here is the adjustment. So for the color, lower it to 0, speed 70, atmosphere and glow 0, and leave the intensity as it is. Hit on a check icon. So this is how it will look like currently. And now you can add another effect. So go to the effects again and add the repeated shake effect. This one in here. Click on the effect and click on object and choose all video. Put it in between the clip like the first one, but make it a bit longer like this. Hit on adjust. Now set the glow to 35 and the intensity 95 and the speed to only 45 and leave the rest as it is. Hit on a check icon. Now click on clip and add 2 keyframes, one at the start and end, and just zoom in on the last key. Like this, and go to grabs, go in between the keyframes and select the flow to keyframe. Okay, after you add the grabs for the keyframe, and now this will be the result. So guys, that's how we can make the ultra aggressive shake effects in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.